Hey guys, welcome back. This is Archana here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create super simple mixed media tag that to using very few materials. So let's get started. So first thing, we need to build a background. So for that I took stencil and texture paste, and I'm just going to spread this texture paste evenly using palette knife. Once the texture paste dries completely, I move ahead and color this tag using two shades of shimmer sprays, and that is Dancing Peacock and Sweet Sunshine. I put this tag aside to let it dry, and in the meanwhile I stamped the image from stamp set called Beautiful by Crafty Scrappers. I have colored this image using acrylic paints, and to give watercolor like effect I dilute the acrylic color with water and use that to color the image. Now here you can use any media like watercolor or markers to color this type of stamped images. Next I took this color coconut fiber and glue down this fiber on the tag using glue gun, and on this next I'm also going to add a fussy cut image and handmade flowers randomly. If my videos inspire you to create something, then do share with me or tag me on your social media, as I would love to see your creation as well. All my social media links are in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy crafting.